Hello and welcome, my friend. In today's video, as every weekend, we came to analyze for you the Forex market and our view and the opportunities also will enter in them. So if it's the first time of you here, please make sure to subscribe and turn the bell notification to receive all our latest updates and videos. Also, we are a channel specialized about trading. We post weekly Forex forecasting or weekly Forex analysis. We post a monthly video about Bitcoin trading or forecasting and a monthly video about stock trading and the opportunities also will enter in them. So if it's the first time of you, make sure to subscribe in that channel. And if you are a subscriber before, go down and hit the thumbs up if you benefit from our trading signals we give you free here or in the Facebook group. By the way, if you are new, you can join us in the Facebook group where we're given free signals. You don't need to pay nothing. And if you are a beginner and you don't know nothing about trading, down below in the first comment, you're going to find a link to one of the best-selling courses in Udemy. That course is 7 hours trading course. It's going to teach you everything you're thinking of about trading. Money management, trading strategy, everything is there. And live trading by that strategy. And it's not only one trading strategy. There's one trading strategy and 3 money management strategies. So you can benefit from what professional traders use, my friend. So go down before the couple link it's finished. It's still for it only 5 days to finish. The course it costs $200 US. You're going to buy it only by $10 or $10 US. Just the price of a cup of coffee, my friend. Go and benefit with something is going to make you to earn the price of thousands of cup of coffees. I think that's it for that part, my friend. So let's go to the analysis of today, my friend. So the first pair we got, my friend, is the EURUSD. And that one, as we said it last week, if you remember, we said from here is going to fall down. And that's what happened. It fall down more than 100 pips. Then it go back, it touch here in Thursday. And Friday, look what happened. I think everything is very clear, my friend. Let me to show you something here for the picture to be more clear for you. Sorry. Here, what we got, as you see, here, 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 and here. What is it that? Let me show you. That here, first shoulder, that the head, and that one is the second shoulder. And that is the neck, or the line of the neck. If it's getting broke down here, how to use it? You just calculating from the line of the neck to the top here. Same distance from here, from the line of the neck to the top of the head. You do it down here, till here. Till over here, it might as well go down the EURUSD, my friend. Remember that. I think everything is very clear, my friend. Nothing hard, nothing complicated. So our view, the EURUSD is going to go down more, my friend. Not only to where is the price now. Let me to show you more. It's going to fall down till here because here we got a support and here it touches again. So our view is going to fall down till here, give us another load in that one. That's just our analysis. You enter with the money management. And by the way, as I told you, if you don't have any money management strategy, down in the first comment, we give you 3 money management and a trading strategy. Go and benefit from it before it's too late, my friend. Let me give you the levels. As you see, the level where is the price now is 1.18,434. Second one is 1.17,782. Another one is 1.17, 257, and the last one is 1.16, 699, my friend. I think that's it. It's very clear. So let me to analyze for you the RSI for the picture to be more clear, my friend. In the RSI, as you see, as we said it last week, we said from the daily trend line here, the price is going to fall down, and that's what happened. It fall down, it touch here, the divergence here, touch it here, then it came in Thursday, they pushing the price up, then it came Friday, they push it down, then it will go up and touch that daily here, maybe, or maybe it will fall down and break that one here. I think that's it, my friend. So if you enter, when it touches that 4-hour divergence here, that one is very easy as you see it. I like that we make it. If you want to know how we do that, those daily trend line, the previous videos, we explain everything in them. The previous analysis or weekly forecasting about Forex, we explain everything how we did that, my friend. So to do that, you just go back to our previous analysis and you're going to find everything there. And by the way, also we give you our view and you enter using your money management, your trading strategy. And as I told you, if you don't have a trading strategy, down there is a professional trading strategy. Go and use it and benefit from it. It's only $10, my friend. I think that's it for that pair, my friend. The other pair we got is the cable or British pound Japanese yen or British pound USD. Sorry for that. That one, as we said, we got here a triangle. If you remember it last week, we said it. Price, it came, it touched it here. Then it dropped more than 100 pip, my friend. It go back up within 1 week, more than 200 pips. When it go back up, it touch it again here. In Friday, it came the USDPY. Look what happened. And our view is going to fall down till it touching the down of that triangle, my friend. So, to benefit from that, let me tell you first the levels. The level here is 1.38894. Another one, 1.38251. Another one, 1.37719. Another one, 1.37168. Another one, 1.36525. And the last one is 1.36050. I think everything is very clear, my friend. Let me analyze for you the RSI for the picture to be more clear. Here in the RSI, as you see, and we said it last week, we said when it touching here the daily, you enter short. It touch it here, look what happened. It dropped all that. Then it came, they push it up. Now our view from here, it will fall down till it touching that 4-hour support here in the RSI. When it touches here, take the profit, my friend. Remember that. And enter by your trading strategy. If you don't have a trading strategy, down there is a trading strategy. Down the first command. 95% coupon to the best-selling course in Udemy. Go and benefit from it before it's too late, my friend. I think that's it, my friend. So the other pair we got, my friend, is the Aussie or Australian dollar USD. And that one, as we said it last week, we said we got here a trend line. The price, it came, it touched it here. Then look what happened. It fell down. To make that small correction like that, then it will fall down and give us another load in that one. So to benefit from that, my friend, you're going to use your trading strategy and to enter short, my friend, to downside. The Aussie, the cable, and the EURUSD, all of them only for short this week and in the coming week. Remember those things, my friend. Let me give you the levels here. The first level here had 0.74586. Another one 0.702 0.789, another one 0.72, 824, another one 0.72, 224, the last one at 0.71 or 11. That's the levels, my friend. And to see those levels very clear, you just put the video at 1080 or HD. Then you're watching here. You make the picture very big and you're going to see all those levels. Like here, that's a level, like here, that's a level, like here, that's a level, and like here, that's a level, my friend. I think that's it for that. For that, my friend, let me analyze for you the RSI for the picture to be more clear, my friend. In the RSI, as you see, my friend, we said it last week. We said we got here a divergence, the one, and the one, the trend line that we will make in that in another color. They pushing the price still here to go back and touch in the daily. Now it needs to fall down to touch here that 4-hour support, my friend. So when it's touching that 4-hour support here, you take the profit. Touching here, the RSI is going to fall down till it touching that 4-hour support here. So you here take the profit, my friend. Remember that when it's touching here, that 4-hour support at the oversold area, take the profit, my friend. I think that's it for that part, my friend. So the other pair we got, my friend, is a USD Japanese yen or US dollar Japanese yen. That one, as we said it last week, we said from here is going to go up, and that's what happened. It came Thursday, look what happened. Friday, it pushing up the price. So our view to it, maybe from here it will go up again because US dollar is still stronger, or maybe it will come back and touch here, and from here it will go up, my friend. The levels we got here one level 109.164, another one 109.594, another one 110.136, another one 110.418, and the last one at 110.807. I think that's it. That the levels, my friend. Let me analyze for you the RSI for the picture to be more clear for you, my friend. Here in the RSI, as you see, we don't have any setup for buying yet. As I told you, when it touching here, that 4-hour support here, as you see it here, you enter buy. It haven't touched it, we will not enter buy. We waited till it touch it here, then also will enter. The target of us is it here at the daily trend line, my friend. Till now, it's just touching the up here, but it haven't touching here. So us, we will wait it till it touching down here, my friend. I think that's it, my friend. The analysis for the RSI for USD Japanese yen. So the other pair we got, my friend, is the gold, and the one is the only previous week analysis. We don't make it right, my friend. That one we said from here it's going to go up, but it happened the opposite. It fall down till here. It's like Bitcoin, same story. So our view to it didn't come like that. So our view to it maybe is going to come down here to touch 1775.17. Then from there is going to go up, or from here, from that level, it might go up here. You enter when it touch in here. Target is it up. Let me give you the levels, my friend. First level is 1775.17. Another one 1812.00. Another one 1844.62. Another one 1873.65. Another one 1903.47. I think that's it for that part, my friend. So let me to analyze for you the RSI for the picture to be more clear. And here in the RSI, as you see, my friend, it came down, it touching here first in the daily trend. It came down till here, then it make like that. Our view, it need to touch here that daily trend line here. Then from here you enter buy, target of you is it here at that daily trend line. And by the way, to now we do all those trend lines, just go back to the previous videos and you're going to find everything there, my friend. So the gold is only for buy. Even the Bitcoin is only for buy. Even if you see it fall down, it will go up, my friend. I think that's it for that part, my friend. So the other pair we got, my friends, is the Dragon or British Pound Japanese Yen. And that one, as we said it last week, we said we got here that channel, if you remember it. Then we said it's going to touch it here. Then maybe it's going to break it up like that. Then it will go down again. And that's what happened. If you see here, price it's breaking the channel up, then it went back again and enter inside it. So our view to it, it will fall down from here to down till here, or maybe it will fall down till it touching the down of that channel, but also only here. I think that's it. Everything is very clear, my friend. So let me to give you the levels. What is the price now? Is it 152.284, 151.679, another level at 151.026, another one at 150.126, and last one at 149.285, my friend. I think everything is very clear, my friend. Let me to analyze for you the RSI for the picture to be more clear. As you see here in the RSI, my friend, why also we put in that green one here and green one here? Because that one is a divergence as you see it here. The chart is different and the RSI, it gives us a different pattern. So my friend, if you see here in the RSI, that one is high and that one is low. In the chart, that one is low and that one is high. That means that just a squeeze to hitting the stop loss, they are here. Because they know people, they put in the stop or loss of them here before they pushing the price down, my friend. Then it's breaking the daily trend line. So our view to it will fall down till it touching here that daily support here down. And by the way, that one here, it's the divergence of pushing the price from that level till here, my friend. Also, we analyze for you and we put everything in front of you. We don't hide in nothing. Other people, they just hide in everything and they just came, they put in for you an arrow like that. It will go up. Also, we put everything in front of you, my friend. I think that's it, my friend. Everything is very clear. And by the way, if you want to our daily signals, you can join our Facebook group. You're going to find it in the description of this video. If you want to benefit from our course, in the first comment, and it's 95% coupon link. It's 95% off coupon link. And if you want the brokers I'm using personally and I trust in them, you're going to find them. My highly recommended 2 brokers. They are in the description of this video. I think that's it, my friend. And if you find the information we give you here in this channel very informative, please hit the thumbs up to support us, because that's the only way you can support us by it. And go down and write a comment. Go down now and write a comment to support us, my friend. That's it, my friend. So see you in the mid of this week when I'm going to put for you the monthly stock market review or the monthly stock market prediction. That's it, my friend. So bye for now, my